I got hurt deadlifting and doing some stuff like 2.5, 3 years ago. But I pretty much, since I was 15, had back. I had a rollover vehicle accident, another drunk driver hit from behind. So it's always kind of been there, except that I just made it worse when 3 years ago when I started a weight loss program. That it would go down my leg, and I couldn't sit like for a very long time without feeling like just my leg and having to get up and walk around. Physical therapy and more physical therapy and YouTube videos, a little bit of yoga, but I tried so many different things, but nothing has helped me. So when I first started, I didn't know how to be aware of how to stretch it and help it when I have flare-ups. Before, I would just be like, baby it, and not want to move. And now it's like movement. It's like that. And knowing that movement is the key, I feel like that's a big win, because before I used to just, like I said, my back, and I just like lay, and that didn't even do anything for me. And now I can move. It's changed a lot, like even helping my son though. I was used to that throughout the years, like already preparing mentally, like, okay, you're gonna be dead afterwards. Like you're probably gonna be in bed for a week or whatever after picking up boxes, moving, doing stuff. But no, I just moved them Saturday, came Sunday, did a workout, and feel good. Like it didn't knock me down like it used to. So I think that's a big win. The sciatica is gone, yeah. Yeah, it feels great. It feels liberating. Even my husband, he sees me, he's like, I don't know if you could see yourself. Like you're much better. I could see how you move and how you are. And we see it. My family sees it, and I'm super excited and happy about that. So